Hello everyone, my name is Sakayla Neal, and today I am going to be showing the process of me installing color number 30 soft locks bob. Of course, if you've seen all my other videos, the install will most likely be exactly the same. And the hair I'll be using is, I was about to say Mayday. Basically, Mayday Beauty color 30. So far I bought 3 packs. If I needed to go buy another pack, I will include that in the video, just so, because people have questions like how many packs did I use, how long did it take, what's the brand of the hair, etc, etc. I should probably do like a frequently asked questions type of screen, which I probably will do. Editing Sakayla, please do so. And I bought color 30 expression hair for my wrapping hair. So, and I bought 28 inches, but you could probably use 18 inches or just depending on how long you want them. And I just wanted to make sure that the hair on the top of my head can loop as much as the hair on the bottom of my head. So yeah, those are the hairs I'll be using. I'll be using this lock-in. I'll be using combs, of course these crochet hook, and I'm pretty sure that, oh, and like clips just to section my hair. I did not do my hair from the beginning. When I come home, I used all the opportunities that I can to make this process quicker. So I asked my mom to cornrow my rolls for me. If you need to see me part my hair exactly, I will put like a link to a video where I actually did my own parting method, because I do know how to part my hair on my own. It's just this process. This way just makes it a little bit quicker for me. But don't come for me. Of course, I probably got a little line, but this is the rows that I'll be doing. I chose to do 5 rows, exactly just like my other video. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy the video. So far, this is all I will be doing from right now, just until those run out. But this is 1 pack of hair. This is like 2 pieces of, this is like 2 pieces of the spring twist hair. We can't just be talking about it. I want you from inside it. We can't just be cautious about it. I wanna get wild. Yep, so far. But I finished 2 rows and it is 11:17. So this might not take longer. This might not take as long as I thought. Hopefully this color looks good. Right now I'm kind of messing with it, but of course the other color had to grow on me, so I'm pretty sure this one has to grow on me. Show me outside. It's been a while, but I wanna get wild. That's what you've been. I was blind, I was in it, I was bad. Oh, I thought that I was changing you. I can't believe I faced you. You know your mama ain't raised you like that. Look at your behavior, that's what she is ashamed of you. Damn, look at what you become. Matter of fact, what you've been. I was just blind. I was just so in it. I was just so committed. Okay, so here's what y'all all have been waiting for, which is the exact tutorial. So of course, the first thing I'm going to do is make my part, make it straight by using the gel, and end up, you know, combing it out and putting the gel around the center. I wanted to keep this in regular speed just so y'all can see exactly how I do it. So the next step is to take one of the locks, put it inside the crochet hook and set it off to the side somewhere that you can grab it really quickly. So after you put the gel around it and comb through, you're going to divide your hair into 3 equal parts, or as equal as you can, and start braiding as if it was just a regular braid. Also, try not to braid right to the bottom. Try to stay in the middle, just so if you want to do like a ponytail, or if you want to do something sideways right away, you'd be able to do that without it hurting. Now, you're going to take one of the pieces, so don't braid all the way down, and you're going to take the crochet hook with the lock on it. Then you're going to connect it to one of the pieces, slide that through. It should only be in one of the pieces, and then you're going to continue braiding. So, therefore, your lock should have a flat surface and it should be secure in the middle of the lock. Okay, so I ended up just doing the whole like pre-install, like the first step for the rest of my head, just because I just wanted to be done with braiding. So now all I have left is wrapping, as well as knotting, I guess. So that's exactly the process that I'm about to show right now. I have 4 pieces already ready, so I'm gonna do those first, and then I'm gonna refill with the rag. Okay, so this is the second part of the tutorial, which is the wrapping process of this hairstyle. Right now, you're first going to take the crochet hook and try to put it in the middle of the lock. In the middle of the braid, and then put the spring twist hair and pull it through the middle. The next step you're going to do is make one side longer than the other. Usually for me, the longest side would be furthest away from my head, and then you're just going to hold everything else together except for your longer piece, and then just wrap around. So just keep wrapping, and then yeah, it should really be easy. You don't really need anything to secure the lock. All you need to do is make sure that you wrap all the way down, and that's really how you get the lock done. Okay, so I know this is the part everyone's been waiting for on how to do the ends. You're going to take your pointer finger. You have to figure out if you're twisting in the direction of your face or the other direction, basically. and you're just gonna twist. I twist about 7 times and then push it down, and it should lock kind of on its own. And then you're just gonna keep twisting up and pushing down until you feel like it's enough to start just wrapping back downwards, which you can see I start doing in the video. Then you're gonna hold that in its space, take a rubber band, and just make sure you're secure. So make sure you are rubber banding where end of the lock is. So bam, simple, easy. And yeah, I'm just gonna show myself do that probably 2 more times, and that's going to basically be the end of the vlog after I do my edges and what so not.